Hey folks, I have another little repaired instrument from my box of forgotten broken instruments in the corner. This one says Maybell on the headstock. Maybell is a brand name of the Slingerland company who made lots of banjos and banjo ukes and drums. Probably these little inexpensive ones are probably made by Harmony or Regal in Chicago. So this looks like a pretty normal, ubiquitous, inexpensive ukulele from the 30s. The body is made of birch and then stained this kind of yellowish color. The neck is poplar, stained as well. These were ubiquitous catalog items. These would have been just a few dollars. Again, this is a situation where I put more work into this than I should have, but I didn't want it to go to waste, and I knew it would be a pretty good uke when it was all done. So the back had to come off because there was 5 huge cracks in the back. I re-glued the back all back together, put a new brace on the back. Then while it was open, I re-glued the top braces, and then I carved them so that they would sound better, because the braces from the factory are just square pieces of stock. So now they're carved so that we get better tone. Yeah, so glued up all those things in the body, glued and screwed the neck back on, put the bridge in the right spot, added a fret, did the fret work, and then I found this little set of like 1960s geared kind of miniature guitar pegs, and I thought they'd go pretty well with this. And then I put a low G on it just because I wanted to. I'm gonna put a strap button on it too, because there's already a hole drilled for the strap button from the last person who worked on it. The finish is really gross. Like whoever tried to repair it, or maybe when they constructed it, just like painted on lacquer, and it's like bubbly and weird. But I don't want to mess with it too much at this price point. I think this is a perfect campfire backyard ukulele for somebody, maybe a guitar player because of the low G and the guitar pegs. So hopefully we can find a home for it. A little tip when you have these little open geared tuners, they work best when you tune from below the note you want up into the note you want. If you try to lower the pitch, the backlash on the old gear slips a little bit, and then it takes a while to catch up. So I recommend being lower than you want and then going up into it. It makes it a lot easier. So we've got a list of folks who've been waiting for little repaired ukes like this from me, from the box of broken dreams in the corner. So this one's going out to that list today. I think it's going to be $100 plus shipping. I could add a pickup to it if somebody wants. I think it would be pretty cool with a pickup as well. So yeah, thanks for your support. Cheers.